Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. So I wanted to come by and just share a quick project share with you. And this die is from AliExpress. It's from Andy's store, and I'll try to put the link down in the description box because oh my gosh guys, it is so much fun. It does take a while to put together because it's got so many pieces, but it is so much fun. So this is the Keepsake box, and that's the inside of the box, and it's all nice and finished, and oh, I love it. So this is the lid, and it goes on very snugly. If you put it in there properly, it's very snug, like it picks up the entire box. But okay, so this is the top of the box, and I just decorated the one corner with a cascading flowers, and I put a bow in there. That was the very first thing I put in there, so it kind of hides a little bit, but that's okay. That's the look that I was aiming for. And these are the little tails, and all these flowers. Let me see if I can, I don't know if I can do something better about the lighting, but anyway, there we go. So there is the cascading flowers in a whole bunch of different colors, and I like that. So this little frame, it's not meant to have anything other than some kind of, well, you can do whatever you want with it. But what I did was I put a picture, and then I put some sequins in it and made it, like a shaker. So it is for this young lady. She works with my nephew, and Thursday is her last day. So I thought I would make her a little something. And yeah, I just love that. I put some purple sequins in there, and yeah, that's so much fun. And that is my nephew and me. And excuse me, the pictures, I had to cut them down to 2 by 3 1/8 for them to fit in there. But yeah, so, and the reason I put a picture in there of myself was because I always make things for her, and I give her, some stuff. And she's so crazy. She's a beautiful young lady, and I'm sure they're going to miss her. And that is my handsome nephew. But yeah, it's so much fun. Just made it into a little shaker. And so that is going to be my gift to her. And I'm going to fill it up with some candy. And yes, it does take a little while to every part, like this is separate, this is separate. These two little squares are separate. And those are a little tedious to put together because they're so thin. But I mean, it makes the box. So yeah, it's a really, really sturdy box, guys. It's got a double wall on the inside for, the sturdiness, and it's got a panel at the bottom. And it's got this little frame right here, so that you can put the lid in there nice and snug. And yeah, I'm gonna put some of her favorite candies in there, and that will be my goodbye to her. Love it. And yeah, if y'all have any, I did have to watch the video. I don't remember the girl's name, the lady's name that puts the box together, but yeah, I had to watch because it had so many pieces that I wasn't sure what I was doing. So I watched the video, and it's not hard. It's just, you get so many pieces in the die. Let me show you the die. Yeah, so let me show you the pieces that it comes with. So this is the largest piece it comes with, and there were so many pieces that I wasn't going to bother putting them on the magnet because it's just, there are too many pieces. I'd need at least 2 of these, but there are a lot of pieces in here. So I was a little overwhelmed at the beginning because I thought, man, how am I going to put all this together? And then this large one, and then you get these, and then like some of the, like this one you have to cut out 4 times. And then this is the piece for the bottom. And then these are the pieces. These are the pieces for these little top squares right there. Those are these. And then there's this one, and this is the little knob on the top along with that one. And then this one goes under the knob just so it'll be a little more stable. But yeah, guys, if you get a chance, check them out. It's an amazing little box. It measures, let me see, what does it measure? Excuse me, guys. It measures about almost 5 inches tall, about 4 3/4, and almost 4 inches wide. So it'd be 3 7/8 inches wide. But yeah, so it is so cute, guys. Well, all right, guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you really quick how this little box turned out, and I simply love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. Talk to you later.